you.
Oh, met de brein.
The rest of is love. This has to be divided for dinner later.
You are going to eat alone. I'm ready for chill. Your father never used to eat before we sat down.
This is for intern, Mom. I haven't eaten yet.
I need it more. I am your mother. Without me, you will exercise. All you do is adapt Pamplis College, a burden.
I still to pack from the shelf last night. This one for me.
Mom, that was my portion. Why are you eating it?
Ask your sister to cook again. Don't start trouble so early in the morning.
I don't eat breakfast. I'm still full from last night leftover.
Good. Then your portion is for me.
Are you sure you're not having breakfast? There's still some more. You can have mine. I can eat later. I'm sure, sis. It's okay. I'm full and it's getting late. Now I want to go to school.
Just hurry up and cook. It's late already. I'll be late.
You should try to be useful person than just work to do. Do you think we want to live like this forever? How dare you bring that woman to the same restaurant as our family?
Don't overreact. It was just a business meeting.
Business? Are these franchises change business too?
You're not honest. I'm here. Just cry if you want to. It's okay. But listen to Joe's voice. None of this your fault. It's not. You're good. You're a good child. Sometimes adults are hurting and they don't know how to heal except by hurting each other. But the ones don't let them become yours. Just hold your breath for now. Get straight to now. Tomorrow the sun will still rise.
Safika is your mother, but she is good, who is always right. She was a victim. Now she is a perpetrator. To you is a rotten cycle.
She's just lonely, Auntie.
Listen carefully. Healthy love never hurts. Pity is different from responsibility. You have replaced your father's position in that house. Love yet hated, relate upon yet blame that is bullshit.
I'm afraid, Auntie. If I leave, they will fall apart.
Or perhaps that's when they will finally learn to fall apart. You are blocking their hearts and listen. Independence, you are holding their pain. Stop. This is the key. A spare room at my house is for you.
Auntie Vera is dog. If she say yes, it's yes.
I'm tired, Auntie. But I'm afraid of leaving Mom like Auntie Vera suggests.
Love doesn't mean always being by their side. Sometimes the greatest love is living to teach them how to stand for you and for them. Write all your anger, your pain, your dreams here, so you can see how great you are. The self you've been surprising. Sister, that's enough. Enough already. Look at this situation. Your children are hurt. The house is like a war zone. This house toast too.
Stop. They are the ones who need to learn gratitude. They need to understand sacrifice. I haven't asked for anything all these times as long as they don't leave.
But the point that passed into Isma, she is different. She is not your husband who left.
You are the one making her different. Before you interfered, she was an obedient child. Now she dares to leave her or mother. This is all your fault.
Sister, don't twist it. Fira only cares. The problem isn't Fira. The problem is that's you. You are still trapped in the past and breeding everyone else in with you.
The past is everything, Abby. That what keeps me going. Without my anger at this past, I would have already crumbled for you.
We don't ask me now, sister. We want you are or Nicholas to be safe mentally. Isma is knowing drowning in time is this a selfish spectator. And you've just become a warden of a person you built your life.
Don't you dare call me a person. I am their mother. I am the one protecting them from this harsh world, from people like you to take away other people's families.
From what kind of people? People who want to help, or from the kind who kind to love but only know how to hurt? Look at yourself, sister. You are no longer a protective mother. You've become a monster that's thankless, to the point where your own child is afraid to birth in her own home.
Fira, that's enough.
Take their child to fail your own fight. That is a fight. Now, get out of my house. I never contact my children again.
Fine, I'm leaving, but remember my word. One day, when Isma turned you leave for good, not to my house, but far from your life, and Intan grows up to be indifferent towards you, don't look for a scapegoat again. Goodbye, sister.
She hurts, but say just lying, sister. Sometimes love in the wrong from in more deeply than the heart of stranger.
I'm leaving. Going for another interview. Yes, at the mall as a sales assistant. So what if you forces Isma to apologize? Let her breakfast is Intan. We are the one who have to learn how to talk to.
Why have you been so good this whole time?
Oh, I'm fine.
We haven't been focusing since the little wear hair. You know, your face is completely blank.
Yeah, still right. Are you having problems? Just tell us.
Yeah, just talk to us, Isma.
Yeah, last night my aunt fought with my mom because they were defending me.
What? Why were they victim?
It's your mom acting up again. In the afternoon, Fira came over. She told me to live at her house. It seems mommy overheard our conversation. So, are you going to follow Aunt Fira advice?
If you ask me, it's better to go with Aunt Vera. You're suffering at home, right?
It's just not there. Later, in evening, I met Aunt Abby at her house.
For you,
She gave me a diary and told me to think about Aunt Fira's suggestion.
See, even Aunt Abby who you say is so gentle is suggesting that you left.
Right? I think you really need to consider Aunt Fira's advice.
Yeah, I think your aunt really love you. They don't want you to suffer because of how your mom and your sibling act.
I know, but I live. Who's going to support them? Intan's starting to collect soon. And Siska is still in junior high school. They only have me to rely on.
Isma, remember, they are not your responsibility. They are your parents' responsibility.
That I don't know what that is. and now I have to provide for everyone.
Isma, Intan is grown up. Maybe she can work while studying like you do. And as for Siska, she is still her mom. Your mom is still young and should be able to work.
Mom doesn't want to work. She used to living comfortably, Salwa. That's also why mom has become like this.
I agree with Salwa. When Intan is in college, she can work part-time.
I don't want Intan to have to bury her dream even deeper. I guess it's time for me to look for another side job.
Are you serious? You are already working? When will you enter rest?
Whenever I can. At home, all I get is yelled at by mom and Intan anyway.
Oh, by the way, I think you should take Aunt Vira over. You know, maybe she want to help you more.
I feel bad toward Aunt Vira.
If you don't want to go to Auntie Vira's house, maybe you call her just find a boarding room, Isma. They stay for a few months to see if they can manage without your Arnold. Exactly. Don't let them be dependent on you.
Okay, please help me look for me.